the fastest way to close more calls without sounding pushy or salesy. Over the next 3 minutes, I wanted to show you the structure that we use to help our clients to close more calls without having to lower the prices or turning to someone who they're not. And if you want my exact case call framework, Google Doc that actually walks you through the process step by step, just drop the word case below and I can send this over to you personally. Hi, I'm Tina from Tina Sanford, and most clients have been coming to us after their ads or funnels failed. Now, we've been doing this specifically for 2 years now. We've been taking what's already there for our clients and then turning this into calls and sales for them. And when it comes to closing those calls, this is where structure really matters, we find, okay? Now, let's talk about a massive challenge for anybody who's selling a high ticket offer right now. Now, you're getting people on Zoom, but less than 20% are actually converting, okay? And what most people are doing right now in response to this is that they're actually discounting their offer. Or perhaps they're practicing their confidence, which is always good, but some people are actually trying to add in things like urgency or pressure tactics to force the close, which is actually going to end up in buyer's remorse, which is never comfortable for anybody and actually reduces your chances of actually having that person stay with you. Okay. Now, the truth is, though, the problem isn't actually you, and it's not your price, and it's not even your delivery. Okay. It's actually the way your sales call is actually structured. Now, think about this for yourself. Yeah. When your lead feels like the call is heading towards like a pitch, we all instinctively shut down. And what happens is we get polite objections like, I need to think about it, or I'll get back to you, or, well, they never do they? Okay. So here's what we've been using instead. Okay, I'll give it to you the steps, it'll be easier. Okay, step one, we position the call as a service, okay, not as a pitch, which means getting clear on their current situation, to hear that their current situation and the problem that they are looking for a solution for. And then they immediately feel seen and understood, which is what we want, yeah? Yeah. The second step is we just, we walk them through a path, yeah? We show them the exact steps that they need to take to solve the problem, okay? And we do this without pitching anything. You become their guide rather than a salesperson. And then the third step is just to bridge the gap, okay? Because once they see what needs to happen next, you can simply ask, would you like some help implementing that? Or sometimes you actually just give them a document with the steps and say, there you go. And they'll come back and say, can you do this for me after they try it for themselves, okay? Now, this is what's called the case call framework, which has come from my mentor's mentor, and it's brilliant. And it shifts the call from let me convince you to let me just support you, okay? And it works whether you're selling a high ticket coaching, consulting, all done for you services. Okay, and if you want this, I got this right here. If you want the case call framework Google Doc, drop the word case below, and I'm happy to send this over to you today. Now, it's the exact structure that we're using to help our clients close more calls with confidence without having to discount their offers or even sound like someone that they're not. Okay, don't you? I hate sales. Okay, so you'll find that once you start using it, you're never going to walk into a sales call unsure ever again.